Happy day 8 of Vlogmas. This is what I am working on. I am doing inventory on all of this yarn on my wall so that I can make sure I know what in the world I have and then enter it all into Ravelry. I have been doing this for a few days, it seems like, but I spend about an hour or so each time I come up here. And yeah, that's what I am working on. So I will get back to it. I have all of this to do, and I have done more, but then I need to also probably log all of my Craftsy kits, which if you guys have watched me, I have quite a bit. And I have a little helper who's not helping much right now. Jamboni. Hi, Jambo. Hi, baby boy. So yeah, that's what I'm up to. I'll talk to you later. So I know I haven't been on here much today, but I have been, let's see, what have I been doing? I've been doing inventory on the yarn, like I told you guys earlier. That was a long process. I probably did that for 2.5 or 3 hours. And then I came downstairs and I made myself a sandwich and I got a drink because I was thirsty. And then I did my plan with me, which will be up tomorrow. And now I am trying to figure out what we're going to have for dinner. It is 6:30, so it's getting late for dinner, but that's how it works sometimes. And I am wrapping presents. So that's all that's going on today. So this is going to be a short video, but I appreciate all of you, and I will talk to you tomorrow. So there's what I've wrapped so far. Not too much. And I have some more to wrap. There's some of my stuff. And, oh, I'm going to wrap the Kit Kat. That's Jambo. No, I'm not going to wrap him. But I have lots of stuff to get done. So I'm not going to do a bunch today, but I will do some more. And that's it. So I'll talk to you tomorrow.